Breaking news coming in on top of Newswatch. CRPF bunker has been targeted by terrorists in Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir. No casualty reported so far. Security forces have cordoned off the area. Farid is joining me on the phone line. Farid, what are the details? What kind of a terror attack is this? And how many terrorists do you think are holed up inside the CRPF bunker?
Well, it is a grenade that was hurled by militants towards CRPF position, which was guarding the State Bank of India building in Main Chowk, Pulwama. The grenade, fortunately for the CRPF men, exploded outside this particular bunker. So that is why there have been no injuries or casualties reported. And of course, it is a routine kind of a strategy that has been adopted by the militants of late, where they hurl grenades or a grenade towards a security force establishment, escape from the spot. Now, the security force reinforcements, police, CRPF have reached the spot, and on the basis of eyewitness account, they are trying to launch a search and bombing operation. But yes, no one injured in this particular grenade strike.
How long do you think this attack is likely to go on? What have the security forces been able to net any of the terrorists, or are they on the run?
Well, usually in these attacks, one or two militants are involved. It is a kind of a throw and run or escape from the spot kind of an attack, where they hurl a grenade and escape from the spot. Now, these are the first visuals that are coming out of Pulwama, where you can clearly see the marks left by the splinters of this particular grenade on the walls. And this, of course, is a fortified bunker position, and that is why there were no injuries on the CRPF. But yes, as I said, search and bombing operation launched. Militants, of course, after hurling the grenade, escaped from the spot. But search and bombing operation has been launched, which of course is the standard operating procedure after every such attack. And already there is a heightened security in Pulwama, because just 2 days back there was a major encounter between the militants and the security forces, where two top Lashkar militants were killed. So since there is a heightened security alert already in Pulwama, but yes, after this particular incident, security will be further tightened.